Welcome to a GrabCAD Print Pro tutorial. The Wall Thickness Analysis tool identifies areas at or below resolution limits based on their dimensional values. Select the Model Error Repair tool, selecting the Thickness Analysis icon to open the tool. Select the part and click Analyze under the Thickness or Gap selections. Display styles will appear as discrete or continuous, determined by the set threshold value. Adjust by typing in a threshold value or adjusting the slider. The display will adjust automatically based on this value. Discrete style displays features in a go, no-go style, while continuous displays feature sizes with color gradient. Use gap mode to measure values between model features. Use the cursor to preview dimensional values by hovering inside or over a desired feature. This works for both thickness and gap analysis, helping to determine what features meet printing needs.